Hi, I'm Dwayne. I purchased my building through Eversafe. Through the whole scope of the work, they done exactly what they promised and store all my toys in the building. I put a front porch on the front of the building to make it kind of go in with the neighborhood, so it kind of looks like a little bit of a house, but it's not, it's a storage building. The whole process through the Eversafe was an awesome job. Everybody did exactly what they were supposed to do. The roll-up doors go up nice and easy. I put in 3 10x10 doors on it. The man door works properly just like it's supposed to. The crew did an awesome job installing everything all the way up to the porch here, the metal roof. They could understand completely what you were looking for and did an awesome job. I also had foam sprayed inside the building to protect the inside and give it a little bit of insulation so that when I air condition it, it will air condition a lot quicker than if it was just metal. If you're looking to buy a building, call Eversafe and you'll get exactly what you asked for. The perfect job.